Welcome. If you're looking to remove your Discord profile picture using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you want a fresh start or just prefer the default avatar, this updated guide will walk you through each step, making the process quick and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to remove the profile picture. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your current profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your user settings. Now, on your profile page, find and tap the option labeled Edit Profile. This is where you can customize your Discord identity. On the Edit Profile screen, you'll see your current profile picture displayed prominently. Tap on your profile picture again. You should notice a small pencil or edit icon appear, indicating that you can make changes. A menu will pop up with several options. Here, you'll see the option to remove avatar. Tap on Remove Avatar. Instantly, Discord will clear your existing profile picture and revert your account to the default Discord avatar. There's no need to save or confirm. Your changes will take effect right away, and your profile will now show the standard Discord icon instead of your previous image. And that's all it takes. In just a few taps, you've removed your Discord profile picture and returned to the classic look. If you ever want to add a new image, you can follow these same steps and choose a new photo from your gallery. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a quick Discord refresh. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips.